Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Thomas. I'm coming to you from mgmclassiccars.com in Addison, Illinois. Today I have the pleasure of showing you this 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Super Sport SS350 car. Beautiful stance, as you can see, with the American Racing chrome torque thrust wheels. They are staggered. There's a wider wheel in the back and then in the front, which we'll go over. Gorgeous Hugger orange paint job, as you can see throughout. Beautiful restoration. Excellent all the bezels, trim around the windows. Vinyl top is excellent condition. All door handles, rocker molding, trim is excellent. All the emblems. Gorgeous high-end paint, excellent grille, front spoiler. Let's check out the interior. Front power disc. Even the door buzzer works, as you can hear it. Parchment interior. It's really white interior. They call it parchment. Seat belts all intact. Package tray with the defrost. Here's your switch right there. Nice tight headliner. Excellent dash pad. Door panels are excellent. Well, I wouldn't say excellent. I don't know how this happened here, but I'm gonna order a new one. Basically, I think how it happened, actually I don't know how it happened, but I'm gonna get a new door panel for this side. There's your lips on the door. All the door jambs are really good. New door sill plates. Beautiful, excellent reflection in the Hugger orange paint. Underneath is like new. All right. Let's check out the engine compartment. .350 motor, power steering, power disc brakes, factory air conditioning, 350, 300 horse, argent on the hood hinge there. Well, here's the hood hinge and then the latch. Real SS car, X11, as you can see, and factory color is 52. Now let's go for a ride. Before we do that, we'll give it a couple pumps. Starts right up. Car showing 79,076 miles. There's your left turn signal, right turn signal, headlights all function, and factory AC car, as you can see. Factory horseshoe shifter. Nice, excellent dash pad, like I mentioned. Let's listen to the exhaust. Now let's go listen to the motor. And now let's go for a ride. All right, so in all my videos, I go over a punch list. This right now, horn's not working. Left turn signal in the front is burnt out. radio, which is a factory AM radio, as you can see there, is not working, and I'm going to check the AC. So these are 4 things that I have to do upon my inspection of the vehicle. Okay. The quarter panels on the car both have been replaced during the restoration, and they did an excellent job on it. So I do my own inspections, and I tell you everything about the cars before they arrive to your garage there or to your home. This is just a pleasant car to drive with the power steering, power disc brakes. It's got the look, and it's got the authenticity. I can never pronounce that word for the Super Sport document on the cow tag. But very nice to drive. As you can see, the wipers do function. There's a lot of traffic out today, so I'll do the best I can here. So if you guys or gals are looking to finance, that's fine. If your credit score is between a 650 and a 720, call my guy Chris Laganelli at 508-415-1035 at JJ Best, and Chris will take care of you. If you guys got scores over 725 into the 800s, go to lightstream.com. They're no money down, or you could put money down. They'll approve you in about 15 minutes at lightstream.com. For delivery, just shoot me a text. That's the best way to get in touch with me. I am a one-man operation with about 50 cars on the market, so I'm pretty busy. So texting is the best to do. But if you don't text, then call me, and we will have a conversation. But I want you guys just to, make sure you read all about this car and watch all the, watch the full video and see all my photos, so you know what you're buying here. So you would just send me over your zip code, and I'll send you a quote for delivery on this beautiful Camaro. I have a clean title on the car as well. All our cars are owned. I don't really do consignment. I put my money where my mouth is, guys. Car shifts nice and smooth throughout the gears. No issues there. It drives nice. It stops nice. No overheating problems. Anybody that buys this car is going to be really happy. So for any information, please refer to mgmclassiccars.com for all of the photos. I'll be more than happy to answer any and all of your questions as well. If you guys are looking for any other cars, go to mgmclassiccars.com. We have plenty of others in the warehouse here. We're located in Addison, Illinois, by appointment only. And my name is Thomas. Thank you for watching.